Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a paper butterfly. This will be an easy origami tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. This is what your paper butterfly will look like once you're finished. As you can see, it looks like a very, very cool and simplistic butterfly. Really, really easy to make. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it in this video. So you want to start off with a square sheet of paper. I actually have a square sheet of paper right here. I'll just swap that out for this. And I'll show you what we're going to do. I'm going to unfold it first. It already has a crease in it because that's how I created the square sheet of paper from a regular rectangular printer sheet of paper. But yours probably won't have a crease in it, and even if it does, it's fine because you're going to need this crease anyways. You can also use any size sheet of paper that you want. Just for reference, since I started with a regular printer sheet of paper, this is 8.5 by 8.5 by 8.5 by 8.5 inches. So it's 8.5 all around. So we're going to start off by folding one edge to the other edge, okay? And try and line up the edges and corners as well as you can. It'll just make the end result look a lot better. Give it a nice crease, okay? Then unfold it. Turn the paper. We're going to fold the other edge to the other edge, okay? Just like this. Once again, line everything up. Give it a nice solid crease. Unfold it. We're going to fold one corner to the other corner, which this is a fold that was already on my sheet of paper. But I'll do it again. Unfold it, rotate it, and then we're going to fold the other corner to the other corner. So we folded all four edges together essentially in pairs and all four corners together essentially in pairs. Okay, then you're going to unfold it. Now what we need to do is we need to go up here where it's all sort of poking up, okay? And we need to turn it into a triangle. Now this can be a little bit difficult, but essentially you want to grab the sides like this. So you can see, grab the sides like that, okay? Bring them together like that so it looks like this, and then you can just join the sides like that, okay? Very simple. I like to go like that, and I like to also just fold it the other way as well, just to really give it some nice solid creases, okay? Very, very simple and straightforward. All right, and I believe, if I'm looking correctly, if you look at it this way, if you were to, let's say, do it the other way, it's the same thing. So it doesn't really matter which way you do it. I just fold it both ways just to really get some nice creases in it. Then we're going to take this triangle, we're going to fold it in half, and this side over here with all of these flaps, what we're going to do is we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to just trim off the edges to make it a little bit of a circular shape on the edge instead of a pointy edge. We're going to turn it into a circular edge. This will essentially allow it to look like the wings of a butterfly. Okay, let's get rid of that. All right, so now what we're going to do is very simple. We're going to unfold it again, okay? And we will actually rotate it so that the point of the triangle is facing up. I'm going to take one side, the top flap of the right side, and I'm going to take this edge and line it up with the center over here. You can make it slightly apart. It doesn't have to be right on the center line. You can actually make it slightly up, slightly off. Kind of looks better that way in my opinion. Make a nice crease. Then we're going to take the other side and do the same thing with the left side over here, just like that. Just give it a nice solid crease, okay? Now, the next step is actually very simple. We are going to flip it over and turn it around. Sorry about that. So we flipped it over and we turned it around. So now, basically, just for reference, it was like that. The easiest way is probably just to take it and go like that, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom portion. There's a triangular piece here. We're going to fold it up. Now, the goal is to get this slightly above that line right there, okay? And sometimes, I'll show you what you might have to do, depending on how much. Like if you want it just slightly above, like by like a quarter of an inch, you could probably just fold it and be done with it, right? But what you might have to do if you want it to go a little bit higher, like this is a little bit higher as you can see, is you can actually just press down here and these will just fold in like that, because they're going to be lifting up a little bit. As you can see, they were lifting up. You just push down on the sides, fold it in. Now you want to give this a really nice solid crease. Yeah, that's basically it. When you flip it over, you're going to have your butterfly. What I've seen some people do as an added bonus is you can actually put some glue here and just glue it down. You can choose to do that if you want to. It's completely up to you. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.